y'all, welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. Alright, so today's video, this is episode 156 of our 365-day daily devotional. This daily devotional is called Jesus Calling. It is by Sarah Young, and it's wonderful, guys. It's such a great devotional. If you've missed any of the previous episodes, you'd like to check that out. There is a playlist in the description box. And for those of you that have been with me for a while and you know that I sound a little sick, well, I am a little sick, but we're going to push through this. I wanted to be able to get some of these devotionals out to you guys today or this week, so I'm just going to push through a little bit and we'll see what we can get done. We'll just do our best, okay? All right, let's jump right in. Okay, number 156. Welcome challenging times as opportunities to trust me. You have me beside you and my spirit within you. So no set of circumstances is too much for you to handle. When the path before you is dotted with difficulties, beware of measuring your strength against those challenges. The calculation is certain to riddle you with anxiety. Without me, you wouldn't make it past the first hurdle. The way to walk through demanding days is to grip my hand tightly and stay in close communication with me. Let your thoughts and spoken words be richly flavored with truth and thankfulness, with trust and thankfulness. Regardless of the day's problems, I can keep you in perfect peace as you stay close to me. This is a tough one, guys. This is welcome challenging times as opportunity to trust me. It's not very often that we are actually able to look at our problems and see them that way. I myself included. It's not always easy to just be like, well, this is happening to me, but it doesn't always work like that. Sometimes you really have to dig deep and pray a lot and suffer through sometimes a little bit, maybe. But you have to keep pushing and you have to keep trusting and just believing that God is who He says He is and that He is going to do what He says He's going to do. There's literally no circumstance that He's not more powerful than. But like I said, it's not always easy to just welcome your problems and welcome trying times. Yeah, I mean, I have to be honest. It says, you have me beside you and my spirit within you. So no set of circumstances is too much for you to handle. It's so true. It's so true. And you don't really see it until after you've come through whatever that set of circumstances is and you're on the other side and you can look back and be like, I literally sat and said, I'm never going to make it through this. And one way or another, God has made a way to get me through whatever has come my way. But don't you think for a second that I haven't been down and out and hopeless. But I believe that God knows when we're like that, and He coddles us, and He loves us even more, and He places people and other things in our lives to help us, you know? Man, this is a tough one, y'all. Says, when the path before you is dotted with difficulties, beware of measuring your strength against those challenges. Remember, it's not about your strength. It's not about what you can do. It has absolutely nothing to do with what you can do, because the power of God, I mean, God can do anything. And it also says that calculation to measure your strength against those challenges, that calculation is certain to riddle you with anxiety. So stop measuring yourself up, because all you're doing is making it worse on yourself. You are literally giving yourself anxiety by, looking at your problems like, how am I ever going to do this? Remember that part. It's not about you. That's when you give it to God and you let God do what He needs to do for you and through you. He will make a way. I promise. The way to walk through demanding days is to grip my hand tightly and stay in close communication with me. Regardless of the day's problems, I can keep you in perfect peace as you stay close to me. Perfect peace. All right, let's do the verses. Consider it pure joy, my brothers, whenever you face trials of many kinds. James 1:2. I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4:13. As you will keep in perfect peace him whose mind is steadfast, because he trusts in you. Isaiah 26:3. This was very, very good. Welcome challenging times as opportunities to trust me. Man, that's so hard to do. But it is 100% worth it. Doesn't mean that, more troubles and bad days are not going to happen. It just means that you're going to make it through those days and months and whatever it is that you are down and out, or whatever the circumstance is. When you feel helpless, that's when God is literally carrying you. Behind the scenes, He's making a way. I believe that with all my heart. So good. All right, guys, if you have enjoyed this, let's give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share it with your friends and family. I would love for you to subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. So sorry for the rough voice and the kind of head cold situation I got going on. But anyways, I love you all. I thank you so much for being with me. And y'all have a blessed day.